Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today I wanted to talk with you guys, something on the lens, about the Oracle lights that are on pre-order. Now, I haven't really said anything about these on Facebook. All I did was throw them up on our website. Now, I've worked in the auto industry, aftermarket parts, for a while. When I was doing work with the 5th generation Camaro, Oracle was one of the brands that we sold a lot of parts for. They were making all of these halo rings, and the 5th generation Camaro people were eating them up. They did require that you bake your headlights, open them up, and they've made some of those products for the Bronco, but right now we're focused on the full, like, kind of plug-and-play items that they are offering into the market, and we're starting to sell some of those. If you guys notice, I already installed those pocket fog lights in a previous video, and now we are going to move to the tail lights. We've already sold a couple of these. Like I said, I haven't really promoted them. I'm gonna flash up some photos so you can see what they look like versus these signature LED lights. So pretty cool design. Not only are they good looking, they're functional because these taillights do protrude a little bit, and we get into your heavier rock crawling, especially I feel like us guys that are on the East Coast, more than the West Coast people, although you can get in some pretty gnarly stuff where the rocks will hit this, a lot of the times you're butt up against trees, I feel like. I've off-roaded in Uwharrie, not in the Bronco, and some other places, and trees are just abundant. You get up on these weird angles and you wind up smashing your taillights. So those do sit a little bit more flush, which is real cool. I'm sure in future development people will make cages and whatnot, but cages sometimes they can clip on things and they can pull panels out. So it's kind of a gamble what path you want to do, but overall, going with the Oracle tail lights, not only will they look good, they will serve a little function. Yesterday I got an email. A lot of the people that will probably upgrade their taillights are the ones that want to upgrade from the standard halogen taillights. The Oracle lights have a really powerful reverse light. However, I know some of you guys with these signature LED lights will also want to upgrade them as well. Oracle was able to get a mid or Lux package vehicle in there earlier this week, it looks like, and I was emailed what settings in ForScan you need to go through to get these installed on your vehicle, and not only that, to make sure that you don't get any warning lights triggered that will just get at your OCD and be right in front of your face every day. So that's great. Everyone will be able to enjoy these taillights, minus the Raptor Bronco guys. You guys got a different design there. When we get our Raptor Bronco, we'll be able to show that off. So also with these new taillights, you will get improved LED reverse output. I think they put the figure out on their website, so should be really bright. So to take it full advantage of that, I am looking into creating a plug-and-play harness that will allow you to hook those up to a switch. If you have the auxiliary upfitter switches, or you want to install a switch in your vehicle, I am making it to where you should be able to use the normal reverse, but you can also bypass the normal reverse and permanently turn it on. That would be good if you are just off-roading in pitch black night. You need light around the vehicle at all times. You don't want to have to hit the reverse to light those lights up. You just want it to be ready as you go down the trail. You'll be able to permanently turn those on. They will function normally. They will have a little circuit protection so that when you use your normal reverse, that will work as well. Also, it'll have some outputs for those who are running auxiliary reverse lamps, so that you can get those to turn on either way as well. So those are in the works. Sample harness is being created right now. Just wanted to keep you guys abreast of some of these developments. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and go to our website, check these lights out. If you want to get on the pre-order, we have 40 units coming. We have 2 of those sold, one in the US, one to Saudi Arabia. And I will probably be keeping a set or 2. I do want to install one just because I like it. I'm going to install it on one of my vehicles. I don't want to take up both of our vehicles because we do vinyl on these. But I might do an install on someone from the
could you say that again?
Florida FL 6G group, just so we can see that out in the wild on another vehicle other than my own. So thanks a lot again for watching this video. Go ahead, do that subscription thing, like the video, etc. Have a good day.